Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a casual Valentine's Day date look. So obviously I'm going to be doing a lot of pink. So I'm really excited. I actually went out and bought this new palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Mermaid Forever palette. It has a lot of gorgeous colors in it that I'm really excited to play with. I actually went into Ulta hoping to get the Flawless 4 palette by Makeup Revolution, but they didn't have it. So I got this one instead, but I think I might like this one even better because it has so many colors that I just don't have in any of my other palettes. So we're going to be trying that out today. But first, I am going to do my brows. I am just taking this Revlon eyeshadow palette with my little angled brow brush, taking this brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to lightly fill them in. This is just going to be a very casual look. If you want glam, I have another video coming out soon. It's a bit much. I don't know if it's wearable, but if you want to wear it, go for it. It'll be out Valentine's Day, so keep an eye out for that one. And I'm just going to set them really quick with my Milani Tinted Brow Gel. This is called the Milani Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel in the color Soft Brown. Brows are done, so let's go ahead and break into this new palette. I have already swatched a few shades. I know that I've swatched this brand before in the store, and honestly the color payoff wasn't that good, but everyone has been like totally obsessed with it recently, so I thought I really need to give this another chance. I went in, they didn't have any of these palettes to swatch, but they had some other ones, and they're actually pretty good. So when I got home and I was able to swatch this one, I actually really liked it. So this is what the palette looks like. So many colors. Take off that film. Yeah, I think I can have a lot of fun with this. I'm really looking forward to all the different looks that I can do with it. If you have any ideas, let me know down in the comments. There's like really pretty greens and purples and blues. There's a great like highlighting shade. There's a white and a black, so that's great. But today we are mostly going to be focusing in the pink shades. So first I am just going to take just your regular everyday fluffy brush. Do these have names? Okay, so they don't have any names to them, but I'm just going to dip into, ooh, they don't really have a good transition shade. So I'm just going to go into my Tarte Pro palette, and I'm going to dip into the color Innocent. That is one of the greatest transition shades ever. So I'm just going to dip right into that and put that kind of above the crease. I really like putting my transition shades above the crease as opposed to in the crease. I just feel like for my eye shape, that is what looks best. But you do what works best for your eyes. Now I really want to go into this really pretty purple shade right there, and I'm going to lay that in the crease. Oh, this comes with a fantastic mirror, by the way. And now I'm going to go into the pink shade that's like to the left of that purple and down one. So it's right above the red. I'm going to put that red on top of that purple. I am just grabbing a flat shader brush and picking up some of that pink color, and I'm going to put that on like the outer third. I just want to take a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to quickly blend everything. Okay, I want to darken up the look just a little bit, so I'm going to take my pencil brush. I'm going to go into the red. I'm going to focus this on the outer V and just barely start bringing it into the crease. That brush wasn't really working the way I wanted it to, so I've gone back to my fluffy brush. I've just taken both the red and the pink and taken them all the way across the crease, and now I just want to blend it all out so it doesn't look quite so crazy. Now I'm going to take my ring finger, I'm going to dip into the lighter pink shade, and I am going to lay that right on the lid. That didn't exactly give it the brightness that I wanted, so I'm actually going to go one up from that, which is a very like white pink. I'm gonna lay that down. Now I'm just going to brighten up the look. So now I'm just dipping into this very, very bright, sparkly white shade. Putting it right in the inner corner. I'm gonna take that darker pink shade, the one that's right above the red. I'm gonna put it right on the lower lash line. I'm also gonna take some of that purple, that very first shade that we used. I'm gonna really hug the lash line with it. That'll just help to give a little more depth, a little more definition. Just going to quickly sweep away the fallout because there is just a little bit. And I'm going to do a wing using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I just want to keep it very classic, very small. I don't really want like a huge wing. I just want like a little cute little wing. I actually have a new mascara that I'm going to try out today. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I've been seeing Tati absolutely raving about this, so I had to get it. I've been wanting a new mascara anyway. None of mine are just doing what I want, so that is what the wand looks like. Really excited. I'm going to curl my lashes real quick. Finally got a new lash curler. I literally don't think I've had one for months. Got it. All right, now I'm going in with the Lash Paradise. Okay, I can see why Tati likes this so much. It gives good length, it gives good separation, and volume. This is great. I think this is my new favorite mascara. Alright, now the eyes are completely done. Let's go ahead and finish up the face. I haven't told you guys yet, but I did use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I did use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation today, and don't want to tell you guys too much about it because I do have a review and first impression coming out, so you get to see all of my thoughts, all of my opinions. Did I like it? Was it good? I don't know. You'll have to go watch the video. Make sure you're subscribed. And now let's go ahead and move into contour. So as usual, I'm using my Tarte Pro. I don't think there's any surprise there. So I'm just going to do some basic contouring, nothing crazy. Now I'm just going into my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I've been really enjoying actually using this flat top foundation brush for it. I used to always use my fluffy blush brush, but I don't know, I really like this. Also putting just a little bit on the tip of my nose. That is a look that I adore. Just a little bit, you don't want to look like Rudolph. And we want to look very glowy, so I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amore Glow Boosting Drops in 507 Daybreak. They have the longest names for things. I really want to up the glow factor even more, so I'm going into my Moonchild palette, and I'm going into this shade right here, which is called Pink Heart. I'm just going to layer that right over those illuminating drops. And this really is the perfect highlighter for Valentine's Day because it just gives the little faintest hint of pink, which I think is so cute. We are almost done. All that is left is the lips. So I am going in with my Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick in Cathedral. I really, really love this lipstick. I feel like it's deep enough to kind of go with a more edgy look, but it's also very natural and subtle, so you can wear it with a look like this. And that is the look completely finished. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed it so that I will make more videos like this in the future. And leave a comment down below letting me know, what are your Valentine's Day plans? Are you going out with anyone special, or are you just gonna stay at home, hang out with some girlfriends, watch The Bachelor? Nothing wrong with that. That's a good night. That's a good plan. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every single time that I post a new video. And I will just see you guys in the next video. Bye!